Want to know a secret? Did you know you can always have the perfect color of embossing paste for any project by doing this one thing? Let me show you. Place a small amount of embossing paste into an empty container to use as a mixing palette. Select any ink refill you have. I'm using soft seafoam from Stampin' Up, and I'm going to add a drop or two of re-inker right into the embossing paste. Remember, a little bit goes a long way. Mix the re-inker and the embossing paste together well. You can continue to add drops of re-inker until you get the vibrancy of color that you're desiring. Now comes the fun part. Use your colored embossing paste to create stunning backgrounds, textures, and add unique accents to your projects. Let your imagination run wild and explore the endless possibilities. It's time to make your creations truly one of a kind. Follow for more crafty secrets revealed.